How to fix Roblox voice chat not working. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix the problem if the voice chat option is not working on Roblox. Firstly, open App Store or Google Play Store on your device. After that, search for Roblox and look for updates. If there are updates available, then update your app. If not, then go back to your home page and open the Roblox app. On the Roblox app, make sure you are logged in to your account. When you first open it, you will land to the home page. From the bottom, go to More section and tap on Settings. Inside Settings, go to Account Info. Now, to enable voice chat option, you will need to verify your age. If you haven't already verified your age, then make sure to do that. Now go back and click on Privacy. Inside Privacy, there are various options like this. Go to Communication and click on Experience Chat. Now make sure that the settings are set just like this. For Experience Chat and Direct Chat, make sure to select Everyone. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.